Imagine a place where the Caribbean Sea meets the sky, and the gentle breeze carries the promise of a new beginning. Welcome to Fortune in beautiful Dominica. Here, just 5 minutes from the bustle of Roseau, sits a residence awaiting its next chapter. A two-story home, solidly built, with a roof already reconstructed to stand strong against the elements. Step inside and let your imagination take flight. The ground floor offers a generous living and dining area, a kitchen space and a full bathroom, a canvas for your design. An internal staircase leads you upstairs to a floor dedicated to rest and family. 3 bedrooms await personalization. A separate family room provides a space for relaxation. And then, there's the terrace, a private, covered space where you can greet the morning or watch the sun dip below the horizon, with unobstructed views of the sea. The grounds include practical elements, 2 exterior storerooms, an outdoor shower for rinsing off after a day of adventure, and external sinks. This is more than a building, it is the foundation of a future home designed by you for you, a place to cultivate a life of tranquility and scenic beauty, your vision, your design, your home. It all starts here. Schedule your private visit today to see it for yourself.